Hello everyone, if you are tired of acne, dark spots and pigmentation, then use these two products from Orgenia. I'm going to review these products. I have been trying these products for a week. First one is vitamin C face wash and the second one is tea tree face wash. And firstly I talk about vitamin C face wash. It gives a radiant glow to my face and reduces dark spots. I see a visible difference in my skin after using this face wash. And the second one is tea tree face wash. It cleans my skin, control acne and pigmentation. I have seen a significant improvement in my skin after using tea tree face wash. If I talk about the comparison, then both products are game changer and must have for my skin. Both are natural, both have anti-aging and skin brightening properties. That's why I highly recommend these two products from Orgenia. How did you like this video? Tell us in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.